Our smoke man is now ready. So the new project has arrived here. After coming here, we deleted its simulation and all the nodes. After that, we imported the import node. Then here, we imported the file and reset it. We reset the simulation. Our character has now been imported. After this, I set it to 300% and rotated it 90 degrees. After that, for the simulation, we adjusted its domain size. 200 by 200 by 150. This is done. Once we have completed this step, we set it to play in backward mode. And now our animation has been successfully imported into this project. And everything looks good now. After that, we went into the emitter. Here, we reduced the volume and connected its geometries with the shape. After coming to import, first we set the thickness emission to 0.03 and the thickness collision was also set to 0.03. Then we went into emission. In emission, we set the fire to emission and set it to 400, which is sufficient. But now, if you look here, the smoke is rising upwards. For that, we went into simulation, and for forces, bounce is already there, so we set it to 0. For smoke weight, since we want the smoke to fall to the ground, we set it to negative, and we also set gravity to negative. What will happen because of that? Take a look at this. Our work is almost completely finished here in this area. And after this, we went into the combine settings and set it to somewhere between 40 and 50. I guess that's more than enough. And that should finally bring us to the end of the process. Now let's set up our camera a bit. We don't need the skybox. Let's go to the ground. After coming to the ground, this is done. Set it here, and after that, we want only the smoke to be visible. So I clicked on import. After coming here, you need to uncheck render all. What this will do is only our character will be visible in the smoke. The character itself won't be visible. If you feel that there's too little or too much smoke, you can adjust the emitter and increase it a bit. Take a look at this. This is our smoke man. He is now ready. If you want to add anything else to this, you can easily do so. But that's all for today's tutorial.